Let's learn about real-world application of unit rates. If you earn $45 for working 5 hours, what is your earning rate per hour? Well, let's highlight our key parts here. We have $45 working 5 hours. We have $45 for working 5 hours. We want to find our earning rate per hour. So earning per hour. So we have our dollars per hour. So our dollars per hour. They give us the ratio here of $45 per 5 hours. And now we can write this ratio as a fraction. 45 per 5 hours. So we have $45 per 5 hours. Now we want to find the unit rate here. What's the rate per 1 hour? So we rate per 1 hour. We want a 1 in the denominator here. So we're going to take that 45 and divide it by 5. 45 divided by 5, which is a 9. So our hour rate, $9 per 1 hour, is a rate for the same thing as $45 per 5 hours. So what is your earning rate per hour? $9 per 1 hour, or right, just per hour. So again, our unit rate here, our earning rate per hour is $9 per hour. I hope you learned something here about real-world application of unit rates. And as always, thanks for watching.